This is the message from Prince Hamdan Fan Channel, where every word has soul. This secret is only for you, baby. I will marry you. Listen, lean close. My heart is whispering a secret folded like a note beneath my ribs. No one else may read it. The world may spin, but this small truth is only for your hands. I trace it each in the quiet hours, counting every breath until the promise grows loud. Baby, I have loved in the daylight, loud, clumsy, proud, but with you, my love, learn to speak in soft fonts, to hide in pockets and to bloom where no one watches. You tugged my stubborn heart, a gentle grammar. How to say stay without chains? How to say mine without possession? How to say marry me like a prayer? This secret began with little things. Your love that fell like warm coins into my day. The way your hand find my shoulder as if it belongs there. The quiet courage of your morning this unspoken steadiness. I collected each small proof and braided them into the vow I keep. A vow wrapped in ordinary acts. Coffee, a coat, a thousand excuses to stay. I will marry you, not because the world is neat or easy, but because it is the only honest shape for what I carry. I will marry you because you are the safe harbor where my tired sails rest, and because when the nights taste of doubt, your name tastes like home. I will marry you because you saw my cracked mirror and loved every shade, because you held my past without trying to fix the story, only to read it. There are things I must tell you, private as the moon's dark side. I have fought like narrow stairs, sharp turns, and surprises. I may break silence with the wrong words and stumble on pride. I will feel you where I want you to be flawless, but I promise this: my failure will not be the end. They will be the place where we learn patience and invent gentler ways. I will marry you with the mess of my life in my pockets, the photographs I forgot to throw away, the depth of old promises, the children I love like small kingdoms. If they exist, they are part of us. I will marry you with all the stubborn loyalty that lives in my bones, and I will ask you only one thing in return: to keep our secret garden safe, to water it with truth and laughter, not with doubt or needless pride. You are the map I never expected to read. The rest of me blotted around you. When I think of how to not imagine perfect lines on a page, I imagine walking to your face, weathering storms with your hands in mine, and building quiet afternoon out of tea. Paperbacks and soft apologies. I imagine us ordinary and wholly making a life that feels like a shared coat, warm at the shoulders, patched where needs, worn and beloved. Let us keep this secret close because some things must stay tender. The first time we say it forever without knowing the words we, the nights we mended one another's lone lines with nothing but presence. The day I decided this, life with you was the default choice of my soul. We will tell the world when the time is right. But until then, let this smell truths live between two hearts and the quiet stars. I will marry you beneath honest skies, not under pretense or show. No prayers of gold can buy the steadiness you give me for free. I will marry you even when the future is clipped and unclear, because certainty is not a guarantee. It is a choice we will choose daily. I will marry you because I have seen your courage and you hide it, and because I want to be beside your calm and bear witness to your light. If we visit, we will treat it as guest, not let it move in. We will feed it tea, ask it what it want, and then walk it to the door. If grief knocks, we will let it in and share the burden of its share. For what is love if not the willingness to hold another's pain until it eases? If joy arrives, we will throw open windows and let the sound spill out. Let the neighbors learn our laughter, let it float like a banner across these days. Maybe this secret grows with seasons. It is not a one time spark, it will be a thousand small renewals and apology when needed, a surprise visit to your work, a hand held in the supermarket line, a whispered, I see you in the dark when the world forgets to notice. I will marry you in these details. I will bury you in the long, slow after. The order I offer is every ordinary morning we wake and choose again. So keep this secret close as you would a fragile bird. Handle it with heart and know that when I say I will marry you, I mean the total of me. My stubbornness, my humor, the daughter of my mistakes and my best attempt. I mean the small, steady devotion that will show up even when we are tired. I mean both the wild and the gentle things because love is not one note, it is the full chord we strike together and learn to hold without hurrying. This is our secret. Guard it, wear it, breathe it. When the world questions, let us answer with a look that says everything. I will marry you, baby. Yes, I will. Because you are the chosen compass in my chest. Hold my hand. Now let the promise rest there, quiet and alive until the day we walk out and the whole sky witness the small, perfect truth we have kept of each other. Did this poem touch your heart? Like, comments, and share. Thanks for watching my channel. Goodbye and take care.